Hey guys, TiarraLashay here and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I just wanted to sit down and just play in some makeup. And so today I wanted to play in the James Charles Morphe palette. It took me a very long time to get my hands on this because this thing kept selling out, and it's just such a pretty palette. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Here are the beautiful colors. It's just a really nice colorful palette. I think it was really refreshing to see this from him. And I think all the palettes that people have been doing for collabs have been really neutral colors or just not bright, colorful palettes have been coming out lately. They're starting to roll out now that we're in spring, but for the most part, as far as collabs go, this was just very much so different than any collab that has been out for a while. So yeah, so I'm just going to, this is not necessarily a review. I feel like there's enough reviews out there in regards to this. I literally just sat and I just created this look. So it is going to be a voiceover. I know that's a little different from my channel. I haven't done those in a long time, but I just felt like it'd be a little bit easier and the video wouldn't be as long. So yes, but I hope you guys like this look. So yeah, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm just showing off the palette to you guys once again. So first step, I'm gonna go in with the color Escape. And I'm just going to pack that color onto the crease area and just kind of create the shape that I'm going to go for this eye look. I know looking at it, it may look like I am just running the color back and forth using windshield wiper motions, but I am actually just packing on the color and using packing motions so that way the color can be as pigmented as possible. Then I'm going to go in with the color Single, and I'm just going to take that and just pack it onto the edges of Escape so that way we can start to create that gradient of color from the dark purple into the lighter shade of purple. Then I'm going to go in with the color Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm just going to go on the edges of Single. And once again, just creating that smooth transition between the colors. I will say while I was applying the colors, I noticed that Escape was starting to get a little bit muddy, but I do take a time to correct that using another color here later in the video. So now you'll see me taking the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas eyeshadow base in the color White to go ahead and cut the crease. I didn't want a super sharp crease, but it kind of came out that way, but it's okay. Then I'm going to go back in with Escape, and I am just blending out the edges of that concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Artistry, which is this beautiful purple shimmery shade. I started out with a brush, then went to my finger because I just didn't feel like I was getting the color payoff that I wanted. And honestly, I just felt like overall the color was kind of iffy, but I just kept it rolling. So like I said earlier, I felt like that Escape dark purple color was starting to get a little bit muddy, so I wanted to add some black just to kind of conceal that muddiness and create more of a smoother gradient between the colors. So I'm just adding that on the outer corners of the eye. Next, I went in with the color Ring Light, which is this nice smooth white shimmery shade, and just added that to the center of the lid. Then for the bottom lash line, I'm simply just going in with the same colors that I used for the eyelid, starting with Escape, then going to Single, and then smoothing everything out with the color Pinkity Drinkity. Blend, girl, blend. When you're doing this, you're gonna wanna take your time and just make sure you blend all the colors out and just keep on working the colors until you get the blend that you so desire. Now I'm taking the Big Jumbo eyeshadow pencil in the color Milk from NYX Cosmetics and applying that to the waterline. And then I'm taking the color Skip, which is a bright pink shade, and just applying that on top of the Milk eyeshadow pencil. Now I will say I do this often, but this color was not sticking as easy as other colors typically do. Now I'm just topping off the look with some lashes. These are actually some really cheap lashes from Kiss. I will actually leave them down in the description box, but they are very affordable lashes, and I got mine from my local beauty supply store, and they're just really nice, very fluffy, very wispy. I love them. I think they might be my new favorite lashes. So that completes the look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. So here I'm just posing But I hope you guys enjoyed the look. I love you so much, and I just thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye.